up yourself. Thank you guys for joining the channel. I got some new camo line that's on my reel, and I wanted to get a few casts this morning to see if I can get the line tightened up or if I can pick something up on it and how this line will possibly work in the water. On my way to work, so I said let me take 5 minutes, stop real quick, and see if I can get an honest cast in and see what I can pick up. So, Jamaican shore fishing, stay tuned. That's what's up, guys. See what we can pick up this morning. See if we can pick up breakfast this morning, guys. Definitely don't want to get hitched up on the bottom of that water. Not good. So it's working. I am. Camo line feels good. New 10-pound line on here, boy. Ooh, fish on. Gotcha. Fish on. Woohoo! Fish on, boy. Barra. Jack. I wanna follow him, you know? Wanna follow him? Fat boy. Woo! Jamaican shore fishing. Cuz, give me that shot. Hold on, give me that shot. Hold this. I gotta give you the camera. Hold this.
Nice size, yeah.
Oh yeah, there's another one following them. Yeah, guys, so this is how I got hooked last time. On my way to work.
On the way to work, boy. Nigga.
Alright, shore fishing, so let me get this camera back on. And pliers is on the back. Pliers. I gotta secure the hook pliers. That's how I got hooked last time, by a jackfish. And I don't want to get hooked again by a jackfish. See right there. Hold this. Here goes cuss. Yep, first kill. Oh my god. Let me see if I can pick another one up, cuz.
Yeah, I'll go for you next time.
Yeah, oh, there's another one out there. I seen him following them. Drop it in. Let me get him up. See if I can get the next one real quick and fast. See if I can get the next one, cuz. Like that size, right? Yeah, Jack was passing by. Cuz call it was a Jack. Huh? I know, bro. I've hit, they're right over there. I'm telling you this. Ah, man, I got hits on something, cuz. Fudge. Huh? I got hits on a reef, bro. Right there, it's not far. You don't have to take your pants off. Shit. It's not that deep there, I'm sure of that. Eh? Shit. Towing I'm carrying now. Here? Towing I carry, can't dry off. Alright, just right there and look. You see it? It's up to about waist deep, but you have to take off your pants. You can't go in there with your pants. Ah, shit, man. I don't want to lose that lure, though. If not, bro, I'll pop off the lure if you don't want to go in.
Pop off it.
$20 for that lure, though. Is there any water shoes in the car? Right about knee deep you go. But you have to watch out if you see it again, cuz. You have to watch out for it. Damn, guys. Cuz gotta go get the lure, guys. This is more than one time this happened to me. Cuz has saved my life a couple of times. See it? Right there, cuz hand. New line. I didn't want to even cast over there, bro. That's why I didn't want to cast to that side. Cuz I knew it was getting low to the ground. You know, so deep, man. I'm sure of that. Right, that's how you there, you know. You get it up? Alright, cuz, cool. Wasn't that bad, cuz. You want a towel? Cuz always getting wet for me. Oh my God, yo. This is how you get appreciated when someone go fishing with you all the time, because if you get stuck, you know that's it. You have a backup. Because your towel's in the car. You want it? You sure? And this thing is, the shallow diver dives deep, bro. Nah. Ah, damn it. Episode again, boy. Another time, another day, another way. Let me get another cast right here. Every time I come on this little beach, I either catch a barra or I hit a jack. Oh, damn, seaweed had me thinking of something else a while ago. All right, cuz, let's go. Yep. Cuz, you see, every time I feel a spot, what happens? The grass right here is getting to me, cuz. You heard? Back at it again, guys. That's what's up. All right, Jamaican shore fishing. We're not gonna prolong this video. Quick and fast. I was just doing a quick and fast video, guys. Let you guys see what's going on here today. I was really hoping for a barra this morning, but fortunately we got a jack. Fortunately, it's not unfortunate, it's fortunately, because we might have caught nothing, right, cuz? So we did get something this morning. I would love to cast over there real quick though. Yeah, real quick. I don't want to give up so quick, guys. I want to get out of here quick and fast. Quick and fast, guys. I always cast on this side. I don't want to get stuck. There's a blue spot over here. It's right over there. I always cast to. It's right over there, guys. Because I'm not even going to chance getting stuck again. I don't have my water shoes on that I can go in. New line. Oh my God.
So we're not getting one more time.
See, when I feel a spot, cuz, what happens? Every time I feel a spot,
Boy, them did it.
they're there. It's not once or twice I've done this with cuz already, guys. It's not the first time. Me and Russ has been riding, and me and him was just riding a while ago, and I'm like, cuz, I want to cast that spot before I go into work.
Right,
He's like, you serious? I'm like, yo, yeah, bro, let's go cast that spot. As soon as I cast the spot, I hit. That's it.
Third throw.
Third cast. That was it, guys. So yo, guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Please like up the video, share, and thumbs up all the time. Enough love and respect. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here.
Oh, yeah.